Did you know 53% of business owners face a lawsuit every year? I know all about it because my own dad's business got sued for $90,000 because he did not use a legal contract with the person that he had hired. But you can be smarter. How would you like to protect your online business legally in as little as 30 minutes without losing sleep, without wasting countless hours, and without spending all your money on hiring an expensive lawyer? My name is Amira Irfan, and I'm a business lawyer, seven-figure blogger, and coach over at aselfgrew.com. I've been working as a lawyer for over 10 years, and I've had the honor of helping 30,000 entrepreneurs with my affordable legal templates and services. So if you visit the legal store page on my website, you will see that I have created super easy legal templates that you can download and begin using right away to protect your business and as well as help other people become legally compliant too by becoming an affiliate. So take a look at all the different templates here. And the beautiful thing about these templates is that they work for any kind of online business owner. So you could be a blogger, coach, freelancer, interior designer, real estate professional. Anyone can use these templates. Then go to the affiliate program page where you will see all the other details. You will earn 40% affiliate commission on each sale. I have paid 6 figures in affiliate commissions already. As you can see, my top affiliate makes more than $2,000 per month. This could be you. And I have more than 1,200 people promoting the templates. And not only that, I will also share my secret 8 ways to make money using your affiliate links. This is a free marketing guide that I will share when you sign up. So I can't wait to welcome you.